So you need to replace a cartridge in your HP printer? Let's walk through the steps together. The first thing we want to do is turn the printer on, so press the power button. Next, load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guide inward until it stops at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guide in so tightly that it starts to bend the paper. Open the cartridge access door. The carriage will then move to the center of the printer. Wait until the carriage stops moving and then gently press down on the cartridge that needs to be replaced to release it. You can then remove the cartridge from the printer. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Using the pink pull tab, carefully remove the protective tape. When handling the cartridges, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Be careful not to touch the contacts or nozzles because touching these can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Make sure that you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot. Tricolor on the left, black on the right. Place the new cartridge into the slot and gently but firmly push it straight in until it pops into place. When the cartridges are in, close the cartridge access door of the printer. An alignment page will print. At this point, the alignment is not complete. It is very important that you scan the alignment sheet to finish the alignment process. If you do not scan the alignment page, the printer continues to print an alignment page every time that you turn it on or off until you complete the full alignment process. To scan the alignment page, first lift the scanner lid. Place the alignment page on the front left corner of the scanner glass with the print side down. Lower the scanner lid. Press the scan button on the control panel. The printer will now scan the alignment page and align the cartridges. While the printer is scanning the alignment page, the green light on the power button will blink. You will know the scan is complete when the green light is solid once again. Once the alignment is successful, you can recycle the alignment sheet. Once all steps are complete, your printer is ready for use.